Payhip is a user-friendly platform for selling digital products, for example, ebooks, courses, printables, and physical items, with no upfront fees and integrated payments via PayPal and Stripe. Setup is free and takes 10 to 15 minutes via payhip.com or the app. It's ideal for creators, with EUVAI handling and marketing tools. Visit Payhip. Go to payhip.com. Click Sign Up, top right, or Get Started for free. Enter basic info. Provide your email address, full name, and a strong password. Agree to terms, privacy policy. Click Create Account. Verify email. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Payhip. Click the link to activate. Expires in 24 hours. If no email, check spam or resend. Complete profile. Log in. Account. Settings. Add store name, for example, Jane's Designs. Description and logo. PNG format, 200 dogs 200 pixels. Set currency and location for taxes. Connect payments. In Settings, Payment Details, link PayPal, email, or Stripe, API keys from stripe.com. Verify via test transaction. This enables payouts, 2 to 7 days. Add products and customize. Go to Products. Add product. Upload files, set price and options. Then, Store. Customize for themes, colors, and domain. Launch Store. Publish in Store. Publish. Share your URL, for example, payhip.com/Murphy Store on social media.